Discover how to leverage Facebook, the largest social media platform, to get targeted traffic and conversions and begin profiting fast. Could you benefit from more targeted traffic? If you're like most online marketers, as well as traditional business owners, the answer is very likely a big yes. You probably know that traffic is the lifeline of any online business. Of course, when it comes to generating traffic online, you have a lot of options. Many people looking for traffic online start out by looking at traditional traffic methods. On the surface, those techniques sound great. Getting clicks, visitors, and ultimately sales for traffic that didn't cost you a dime makes for a great return on your investment. After all, if the traffic is free, your investment is zero, right? Wrong. Traffic does not hold any value unless it is super targeted, be it free or paid traffic method. Not only will you often find yourself spending countless hours working on an untargeted, unreliable, unpredictable traffic method, you may also find that many traditional traffic methods just aren't as effective as they're made out to be. When it comes to traffic, you need extremely targeted traffic that is ready to take action. A lot of traditional traffic sources may get you an abundance of clicks, but if they don't opt in or buy, what's the point? The other risk with traditional traffic is that you can end up spending a lot of time and doing a lot of hard work for nothing. Most traditional traffic methods are based on SEO, blogging, or ranking in the search engines in some way or another. All it takes is one small algorithm change by the search engines, and all of your hard work can literally disappear overnight. When you consider the time it takes to get traditional traffic flowing, the poor conversions you often get from these traditional traffic, and the risk of wasting a lot of time and effort, it makes traditional traffic a lot less appealing than it seems on the surface. So, what's the alternative? Facebook marketing. Many people are familiar with the opportunity Facebook provides to get both free and paid. In fact, it's one of the most common free traffic methods taught online today. But simply posting them on Facebook is unlikely to get you the results you're after all by yourself. When you take things to the next level and leverage Facebook in the right way, you can get traffic flowing much faster, improve your targeting, and get higher quality traffic. Leverage Facebook's multiple platforms like groups, fan pages, etc. Begin making money from that traffic as soon as today. Why Facebook, you may be wondering? After all, there are a lot of free and paid traffic platforms out there. Here's why marketing on Facebook is superior to all of them. Facebook is the only platform which has in-depth demographic data about each user's interests, likes, etc. in any niche. Why? Because people love hanging out on Facebook. Imagine how powerful it will be to get your offer in front of people who are interested or looking for exactly that product or services. Users on Facebook are some of the most engaged users online because they love viewing posts, liking, and commenting on them. And with Facebook marketing, you can get traffic flowing and in front of your target market within minutes. That means you could start seeing opt-ins and even sales as soon as today. The traffic you'll get with Facebook marketing is super targeted and highly engaged. That's a recipe for success because targeted, engaged traffic converts. Getting started with Facebook marketing is pretty simple on the surface, but there are some key details you must understand and pay attention to if you want to get the best results possible with Facebook marketing. Many people struggle with Facebook marketing in the beginning because they don't fully understand how to get the most from the platform. The benefits of doing things right are huge. You'll have more targeted, converting traffic than you know what to do with, right at your fingertips. But do things wrong and you'll continue to struggle to get traffic, or worse, you could put your Facebook account at risk and even get banned. To see success and avoid the most common pitfalls, you'll need to get training from someone that has seen success with Facebook marketing. That's why I've put together the ultimate step-by-step guide to getting massive, high-quality traffic with Facebook marketing. This training is based on what's working right now, not months ago. Unfortunately, there are a lot of outdated training tactics and methods out there that will have you running in circles. This